Hello world, how you doing? I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Today exclusive vlog from Sanur, Bali, Indonesia. If you don't know yet my channel, this is the Jalan Cemara in Sanur. Last time I got the request, somebody wants me to show this area. Unfortunately, literally not much is happening here. As you can see, I can walk on the middle of the street, which is pretty sad view. That's why I'm not gonna focus much about this street. There's so many five-star hotels actually around, but that's looking really bad, I could say. Don't want to make another sad video like I used to make few previous one. So I'm gonna show you Jalan Tamblingan, perhaps driving today, and you will see as actually Sanur is kind of busy, but only one certain street, but everywhere around where you see over here is just deadly quiet. So no more sad vlog today. Let's go show something happy, which is actually Jalan Tamblingan is very busy. Alright, little shot of the now pause. So before I gonna get into Jalan Tamblingan, the bars, many of you probably recognize this place. Maybe you were chilling there or used to chill. Utama Spice, and at the corner is already Jalan Tamblingan. Maybe with these words what I use as is busy was a little bit too much. I think I wanted to be too much optimistic. It's just alright. Anyway, where I start you go left, but Jalan Tamblingan is on the right. At the front is our total hotel, and here is the already Jalan Tamblingan, which is the most busiest part of Sanur, I could say, especially here where is the Massimo ice cream, Massimo restaurant. Actually Massimo is always kind of busy, many cars also here, but okay, maybe it's not really busy like I wanted to be, but the difference is between to this area and the other area, let's say Ubud or previously Legion Kuta, is that so many restaurants here are open. They are open, and it's actually quite many new restaurants as well, and this makes you image it is actually quite busy. But eventually many of these restaurants are just, you know, few people inside or are empty. They are definitely not full house anywhere, but yeah, let's say it's kinda busier. Anyway, this is like a long time I didn't show you the street full shape at the beginning till end. I showed you like only, you know, few certain spots, so it's good to show you a little bit full length today. Anyway, this is the Hyatt hotel. Not many taxis even today. I will speed up because actually not much is happening here, but I don't want to cut off this part of the video, so you will have a point of view where I am now. Anyway, it was the park made now on the right. Well, that is actually only one restaurant there and nothing else. So few bluebird taxis waiting for potential people, and well, that's a good sign as they are bluebird taxis, because long time ago, I mean like last year, there was not even taxis like a bluebird taxis, and that was actually pretty bad. So yeah, Jalan Tamblingan, Maya Hotel, and well, I wanted to say it's actually busy, but it's not that busy. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, it's busy or quiet. It is how it is. The most important thing is, as I'm trying to show you how does it look today in Sanur in general. Beautiful weather, slowly life is going. At least there is not really like that, I mean bad like that, as everything is here falling apart, because most of the businesses, as you can actually see on the left and on the right, they are open. That's at least positive sign. Even this big restaurant here is open next to Arta Sedana ex Hardis market, even the ice cream shop. And here all the rucos, all the places are open. And this one, coffee kiosk, also is open. So at least something like that. At least it's not that as everything is falling apart. Check this out, even the warungs are open selling the merchandise. So at the end, it's actually really not that bad. Also few new restaurants. Okay, this shop is now gone, it's for rent actually. Cafe Smorgas Here is the Forchetta Italian restaurant on the right. And well, peaceful life in Sanur. Very interesting fact, if you are not familiar with Sanur for some reason, let's say you just found out my channel and you are interested about Bali, Sanur is always quieter than the rest of the areas of Bali. There is never traffic here like in Canggu, for example. Even famous Casablanca is open today, which is actually pretty good sign, as everything is alright. There is of course lack of the tourism, but the businesses in Sanur, they holding pretty alright. Even the Starbucks is open here. Actually, this Starbucks was never closed. If you like Starbucks, yeah, that's how it is. There is area of the Tanjung Sari Hotel here on the left. That's actually Besaki. My bad, this one is Tanjung Sari over here. They are actually neighbors. Regarding the hotels, also make a vlog there, actually a few times in Tanjung Sari if you are interested. Here actually pretty sad view is about this place. It's called Sartotar Beach Club. It's closed, as you see maybe many times, and I showed you from the beach side. Today is area of the street side. And well, many people also ask about this place, which is the construction of the new mall in Sanur and villas, seven icons of Bali actually. Unfortunately, during the current situation at the beginning, they stopped construction, and this only wall is like this. So I don't know if they're gonna finish or when they're gonna finish. I hope so they're gonna finish, but well, there is no construction at the moment. Nothing is happening over there. Anyway, the new company is coming. It's called Made in Bali here. They both two shops, new shops in Bali over the moon. And this is already the Sindu area in still Jalan Tambringan actually. In Sanur, little sun, so little poorer quality of the image. Sorry about that, but it's not always going with the right direction whenever you want. At the front, if you go straight, there will be Sindu night market, and there are few bars also good for chilling and bintangs. And well, simply in 7 minutes I showed you how does it look, the main street in Sanur, guys. Alright guys, just quickly today I showed you how it looks, the Jalan Tambringan in Sanur, in general the Sanur center is definitely much more alive than the Kutalegan or Ubud. It's not that busy as I was expecting, that's my bad. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed, many of you also familiar with the Sanur. Anyway, I just realized here is some kebab shop just open, so every bars here are also open. Well, today just a little bit lazy vlog. I wanted actually to do something different, but I hope so you enjoyed, and as always I will see you on next one. See ya.